Hi friends, welcome to Anand Science Academy. In this video, let's understand chemiosmotic hypothesis. Peter Mitchell, a British biochemist who was awarded the 1978 Nobel Prize for Chemistry for his discovery of the chemiosmotic mechanism of ATP synthesis. Chemiosmosis explains the generation of ATP by ATP synthase enzyme in an electron transport chain. It requires a membrane, a proton pump, a proton gradient, ATP synthase or ATPase enzyme. Let's see how this happens. This is a plant cell. This is chloroplast. This is the stroma of the chloroplast. This is thylakoid membrane, and this is the lumen of the thylakoid. This thylakoid membrane has two sides. This is the inner side or lumen side of the membrane, and this is the outer side or stroma side of the membrane. Hydrogen ions or protons will diffuse from an area of high concentration to an area of low proton concentration. This process is related to osmosis. Let's see why there is a difference in the concentration of proton inside and outside of the thylakoid. Splitting of photomolecules occurs in the inner side of the thylakoid membrane. So, the hydrogen ions or protons accumulate in the lumen of the thylakoid. Electrons are transported from photosystem 2 to photosystem 1 through electron transport system. During this process, protons are transported across the membrane and released into the thylakoid lumen. Because of these reasons, there is an accumulation of protons inside the lumen. NADP reductase enzyme located on the stroma side of the membrane. Protons required for the reduction of NADP to NADPH are taken from the stroma. Hence, protons in the stroma decrease and in the lumen increase. Therefore, a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane is established. ATP synthase is the enzyme that makes ATP by chemiosmosis. It allows protons to pass through the membrane and uses the free energy difference to phosphorylate ADP, making ATP. ATPase enzyme has two parts. One called F0 embedded in the membrane. This F0 acts as a transmembrane channel for facilitated diffusion of protons across the membrane. The other portion is called F1 and protrudes on the outer surface of the thylakoid membrane on the side that faces the stroma. Through the F0 portion of the ATP synthase, protons diffuse across the membrane. So, there is a breakdown of the proton gradient which releases enough energy to activate ATP synthase enzyme that catalyzes the formation of ATP from ADP. In this way, the ATP synthesis occurs in the chloroplast during photosynthesis. Hope now you are all clear with the chemiosmotic theory.